In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to a group chat. Group chats are an amazing way to communicate with multiple people at once, whether you're coordinating a project at work, planning a family gathering, or just chatting with friends. The process is straightforward, so let's dive in and make sure you can get everyone connected in no time. First, you'll want to start by signing into your account. Depending on the platform or service you're using, this might involve entering your username and password. Make sure you have your login information handy before you begin, as this will save you time and avoid any unnecessary interruptions. If you're using multi-factor authentication, have your phone or secondary verification method nearby too. Once you're logged in, locate the chat or messaging application through which you wish to add users. This could vary slightly based on the platform, but generally you'll find an add icon somewhere in the chat window. It might look like a little person with a plus sign, or simply a plus sign plus on its own. The key is to look for something that indicates adding more people. Now in the chat window, click on the add icon. This action will likely open a menu or a new window. In most cases you'll see an option labelled add people or something similar. Click on it and be prepared to bring your contacts list into play. Next, you'll need to type in the email address of the person you wish to add. It's very important to ensure that you type their email address correctly. A single misplaced letter or symbol can result in the wrong person getting added, or your invitation not being received at all. If you have the person's information saved in your contacts, it might auto-populate after you begin typing, making this step even easier. Once you have entered the appropriate email address, take a moment to double check for any typos, then click the add button to finalize the process. After you do this, the person you've added should receive an invitation to join the group chat. Depending on the platform, they may have to accept the invitation before they are able to participate in the conversation. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a user to your group chat. It's as simple as that. Remember, depending on your chat application settings, the newly added members may have different levels of access, so you might want to review those settings if necessary. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Have a great time chatting and see you in the next video.